Good afternoon, folks. Here's Jeff from Cherokee Car Reviews. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that way you'll know when I upload a new video. So for today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. This is going to be a full tour of the all-new Cherokee. I'm going to start out. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the inside as well as the outside of the SUV. So with that being said, here's the key. So you can climb on in and get started. You got your unlock, your lock, your trunk release, remote start, and your panic button. It also has Jeep's Smart Key Access System. Just keep the key fob in your pocket. And to unlock the car, just simply put your hand on the door handle. Automatically locks the car. And to lock it, just push this button. Color of the exterior is white. And it has gray leather interior, power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. This push button start as well. Put your foot on the brake. Hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got full leather wrap steering wheel. Nice and smooth power steering. We also have wood grain on the top. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission. Manual shift mode right there. Or you can shift via the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines. Park brake is located down there. Alright, let's go ahead and calm the lights, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, and we'll check out the exterior. That beeping is just to tell you that the key has left the vehicle. Got your LED turn signal mirrors. You have HID headlights with the LED daytime running lights and your LED turn signal indicators. There's your fog lights. exhaust. Pop the fuel door. Pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Jeep's 5.7 liter Hemi V8. Washer fluid. Power windows, window lock, power door locks, power mirrors, which also fold. Phone door handle, storage down there. We also have 2-person memory settings. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. All right, let's go give this one a couple of revs. Oh, and you also have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. All right, let's go give this a few revs. Very nice. Got your climate control with your fan speed, your temperature on each side. It is dual zone. You got your AC, recycling, front defrost, rear defrost. You have your parking sensors on, your parking sensors off, your lane keep assist, your eco mode, sport mode, and you have your traction control off. You have storage in there. And you have 2 USB outlets and auxiliary input. And you have a 12-volt power outlet. Cup holders. Storage in there. And you have a 12-volt power outlet right there. And you have your different drive modes. So how it works is you put in neutral and you can switch between. So you have snow, sand, mud, and rock. Leave it on automatic. You have your, this is to raise or lower the suspension. You have your hill descent button and your 4-wheel drive. Got your radio controls. different stations right here. You have your climate. You could do the climate control from the screen. Different modes, you got all there. You could do it here, or you can do it from the buttons. The controls, you have heated and ventilated seats for the driver and passenger. Then you have a heated steering wheel as well. You can also access the rearview camera. Your apps. You have all your apps. Navigation. You can pinch in and out. You can swipe it. Your phone. Your settings. You have all your different settings. Very nice. You have your cruise control, your driver info system. You have your voice command, your Bluetooth telephone, turn signals and wipers. There's high speed. And there's low speed right there. Right there, you got your tachometer, your digital speedometer, your temperature gauge, and your fuel gauge. And where it says PRND is your gear selector. Got your interior lights.
He is in this tree, Zacchaeus, and Jesus comes down the path. There are people everywhere. There are distinguished people from the city. I'm sure the mayor's there.
Sunglass storage. Your tailgate button. Garage home link. You also have a panel sunroof.
He's going through this town of Jericho. He stops under this tree, and it not only says he looked up. It's one thing to look up. See people walk in, and we go, oh yeah, who's that guy? We see him, we look at him, and we keep going. Somebody walks in and you look at him, and then you see him, and then you speak to him. That's different. I see people every day. I look at them, and I keep going. But what happens when you look at somebody, and you really see them?
It's got an automatic dim rearview mirror.
There is something that's going to sound very
Right here you have your gauge brightness, your headlight controls, and your fuel release right there.
And someone walks in the door you don't know, and you look at them, but you never see them. It is possible to look at someone and never see them. But if you look at them, and then you see them, and they know you've seen them, and then you walk up and speak to them, you know what? They say they
And the total price for this one is $67,320. And the base price is $55,495. And the MPG is 14 city and 22 highway. Alright, so I guess that's it for the inside. Put down the window and check out the back seat. Power window, storage, chrome door handle. have a mat pocket on the driver's side, and you have one on the passenger side. You have your 2 USB outlets, a house outlet. You have 2-stage heated seats for the rear passengers. Cup holders with the center armrests.
I know your name, I know what you need, I know what you've done, and in spite of all that, I'm willing to stay at your house today. The very person that most people would have rejected.
Let's go check out the tailgate.
Business he was in, because of the lifestyle
You have nice amount of trunk space. You have a 12-volt power outlet. Down here you have your spare tire. And you have your privacy stay right here. So show the tailgate.